What's the meaning of campanile? Campanile. Campanile.
Campanile. Campanile. A campanile is a tall bell tower, often independent of a church or cathedral. It can also be referred to as a bell gable or campanile. Campaniles are common in Italy and other Mediterranean countries, and were first used in the 9th century. They can range from simple structures to elaborately decorated towers, and serve both practical and symbolic purposes. The bells within a campanile have traditionally been used to call people to prayer, mark the hours, and announce significant events. Today, many campaniles are popular tourist attractions due to their architectural beauty and historical significance.